Bad programmers are in for a rude awakening. Why? Because AI can do what they do, but without the mistakes. AI has become exceptionally good at doing the things they can't, spotting inefficiencies, cleaning up messy code, and automating tedious tasks that slow down productivity. While skilled developers focus on problem solving, bad coders struggle with the basics, syntax errors, inefficient loops, and inconsistent logic. That's where AI shines. Think about a bad coder banging their head on repetitive bugs or messy logic. AI can identify, correct, and optimize it in seconds. No complaint, no frustration, just efficiency. Companies see this. They're investing in AI to replace inefficiency, which puts bad coders on the chopping block. Their weaknesses are easy for AI to automate. If you're still fumbling with basic tasks, you're at risk of being outpaced, replaced, and left behind. However, all isn't doom for everyone. AI won't replace the innovative problem-solving coders, the ones who bring creativity and unique solutions to the table. Focus on honing your higher-level skills, because that's where humans will always outperform machines. AI's coming, and it's not going to wait for anyone to catch up.